little bit purple. This is white. Beautiful. It's Yafe. Oh, beautiful. This is not common to see this kind of pereg. We call it pereg. It's from poppy seeds. Oh, it's not allowed to take it out, Shimon. Not allowed, just to see. Yeah. Beautiful. Oh, there is this purple one. The common is the red one. The very deep red. Beautiful. But it's seldom to see this kind of poppy color. White, pink, purple. Beautiful. From all of them. No. Why? Why be afraid? This purple. This kind of cream and white near it. It's amazing. Yeah. I'm enjoying this spring. This is the kind of red one. It's beautiful.
ובאו באמצע הלילה, עצרו אותו עבריין כזה וזה. המשטרה לא רשאית לבצע שיקול דעת, אתה מבין? ישב יומיים בכלא, הביאו לו עורך דין, והיה לו דיון עם שופט מעצרים.
Everywhere. Beautiful. To be in nature is the best. It's relaxing. So don't forget to subscribe, share, and bell me on.